Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we hopefully can be able to drive this car out of here. We already fixed the coilover, and the last thing that hopefully we need to do to get the -5 camber out of the passenger side to match the 0 camber on the driver's side is to change out the LCA'S. Unfortunately, the OEM style LCA'S are super expensive now. They're like $200 just for the passenger one with a 2-day delay. So instead I went with the T3 LCA'S that are OEM but 15 millimeters longer, and we're gonna see how those work and put those on today. So these right here are the T3 LCA'S that are 15 millimeters longer, and I hope that since these are boxed in this time, if I ever do get in another crash, which I hope never happens, maybe they won't bend, if that's actually what's wrong with my car. If not, we'll just be replacing this with a brand new one for no reason. And in that case, I'm guessing the frame is just bent a little bit and we'll have to get that fixed. From the top, they just look like stock ones, and they have a little dust cover right here, but pretty much stock. And time to take out this dusty, old, rusty 40-year-old LCA. I wanna give a shout out to Ricky Parrish on Facebook. He's been amazing with helping me with everything, trying to figure out if my frame is bent, if the LCA is bent, showing me all different tips and tricks to figure out what exactly is bent, and I'm really grateful for that. If anything, I think my frame is just bent to the tiniest bit, because the fender used to line right up with this thing right here, and now it's just a little bit more this way, so I think this might be bent in just a tad. So guys, we just finished the driver, and we finished the passenger side. All we have left to do is hook up the sway bar. Kind of excited to see if I can drive my car today. I think I'm gonna need alignment definitely, but other than that, if this goes well and this fixes the camber problem on the passenger side, I'm gonna be so happy. All right guys, so this is the moment of truth. We got both of the new LCA'S in, and here are the old ones. None of them look really bent. No one looks taller or bigger than the other. But yeah, actually, let's put them next to each other. This one does look a little bit taller, but then again, this one is the right one. So, which one is bigger? Leave me in the comments which one you think is bigger. I just put the wheels on, and it honestly looks like nothing has changed at all. Maybe the LCA was bent just a little bit, but as much camber as it is, it's on full, it's on the max camber right now, but so is that side, and I'm gonna show you what that side looks like. So this is straight on this side, also max camber, and it actually pokes out now. Kinda sucks. I might have to swap these wheels out for the less aggressive offset ones. Even though they are cleaner, I'd still rather have the deep dish lip. Now these wheels poke, this one is still tucked into the fender. So I'm guessing the only thing that's left, since we replaced the coilover, replaced the LCA, it has to be the frame, or it has to be an imaginable something, because I've literally replaced the tie rod, the LCA, the coilover, and I mean there's really nothing else to replace that deals with camber. So I guess it has to be the frame. And in this little groove where it shows it's off of the fender, I think this is just pushed this way just a little bit. I'm not really sure how that can make like 5 degrees of camber, but I guess it did, and it kind of sucks. I'm not really sure how long it's... Ooh, I got that stuff on my face. It's nasty. I'm not really sure how long it's gonna take for me to get this to a frame shop and get it fixed. If the frame shop says it's okay, I'm just gonna throw this piece of junk away. I'm serious. I've replaced everything, and it was just an imaginary problem. I'm done with it. Just going to the junkyard where it belongs. If you guys have any suggestions on what's wrong with my car, I bet a lot of y'all are gonna say frame, but if you have any suggestions, anything else except the frame, please let me know. I would love all the suggestions because I'm kind of getting tired of just replacing stuff and nothing happening.
The next day.
Welcome back to the channel. We are on day 2 now of the vlog, and I did a little bit in between. I switched out the wheels just in case because this side looks kind of good, but on this side it was poking. So I actually went to Discount Tire and swapped the tires over from the old wheels to the new wheels. Look a lot more clean. I think the less aggressive offset in the front actually complements the back, because when you look at this, then you look at the back lip, you're like, damn, the lip is crazy. But who knows, I might refurbish the older wheels and then put them on and see how they look. I mean, it all depends on if I get my car straight or not. If not, I'm gonna have no car to put them on, and I don't know, I'll have to buy a Civic and put them on those. So we'll back this baby out of the garage because we're gonna get it towed to an alignment shop. Once I get the alignment, then I'll be able to drive it to all the different shops, because supposedly, since it's an older car and it's a Corolla, no one really wants to touch the frame. And so it's gonna be a little bit of a difficult time trying to find someone to do that. I've already contacted 25 shops, only 2 of them said maybe, so we'll see. So the car is right there. We're following it to the alignment shop. He actually offered me a cool idea to ride inside the car, but I already told him I had an extra car, so I couldn't go back on it. But damn, that would have been cool to ride in the car while it was being towed. But we're gonna go to the alignment shop. Hopefully it aligns well. We get equal camber on both sides, even though the frame is bent, so we can drive it down the road to the frame shops. And by the way, that will be on Karina's channel, so go follow her. The link will be in the description for her channel.